Alright, here we have a Goodman air conditioner with a Copeland reciprocating compressor. Just fired up. It's a 13 SEER, it looks like. And this is a 3-ton from 2009. The suction line is very cold and sweaty. Seems like it's working really good. Liquid line is about outdoor temperature. Here's another one. It's off. I might try and get it starting up too. It's also got a Copeland recip. Got some other units in here too. We'll go ahead and take a look at. There's a Samsung mini split, which is new. I think it's from 2023. It's a heat pump. Yeah, it's from June of 2023. Got a Carrier 38 CKC right here. Fan motor. There's a shutdown, and that other Goodman just turned on. And that other one just turned off. Let's get a look at the compressor in here. I think that's a Copeland scroll. I think that's from 2004. It's really faded. Yeah, this one's not much better. Right over here, there's two 2023 Lennox Merits. And I think that was that Carrier Comfort at the end just turned off. Yeah, 4-ton from 2023. There's a Lennox B13. There's a Carrier Comfort I filmed when it was brand new in 2022. I think this one I got starting up. So I think I got a start shutdown of it if I remember correctly. And then it was actually this XR that turned off. But that's a 2018 5-ton. And I'll get the data on this Comfort real fast. 2022 5-ton. Alright. There's a little mini HVAC heaven. The startup of that Goodman and this one fired up later. Alright. I guess over and out.